The dry cleaner. Did you hear, did? Karen, you might want to invest in a dress or a skirt of some kind if you don't already have one. This may be Phyllis's only wedding ever. It's my job to ensure that none of you look like ragamuffins. So, I am instituting Prima Nocta.
Prima Nocta, I believe from the movie Braveheart, and confirmed on Wikipedia, is when the king got to deflower every new wedding. So...
I'm sorry. I had a very different understanding as to what Prima Nocta meant. I'm trying to get everyone excited about Phyllis's wedding because I want her to get people excited about my wedding.
Oh, you're smart as